Do you remember the time that you were so excited that the school bell rang and it was time for you to go home? Guess what? The second best bell after the school bell is altcoins bell icon. So press the bell icon after you subscribe. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Welcome everyone. So finally, the expectation that I had about Bitcoin is playing out pretty much to the T. And let's come back to this Bitcoin chart once again. And all I can do right now is the following. I really want to clear all the messed up drawings that I have, and let's draw back the pennant itself. So that was the pennant right there, and we did have, like previously I was expecting it's going to happen within 24 hours, but it actually finally did happen. Now Monday and the new week has already started, so I do want to look at the weekly time frame as well. And if you look at the weekly, it's like we have a doji right there. So that's a decisive candlestick, by the way. So this is a decisive candlestick. There could be chances of making one small little bit of a pump back up and then continue lower. The only reason why I could expect one small pump, but still, the direction is clear that you broke down, made a bearish closing. Now there could be chances of back testing up 16,863, back testing that pennant, get rejected from the pennant, and then continue to 12,000 because it's a journey. So simple put, if I just have to really come straight to the point without wasting any energy or getting you mixed up and puzzled up with so many stories, is that you came down 1 2 3 4 5, pop to the downside, you take the top to the bottom. By the way, I'm just gonna use this thing right over there, and this is where you're moving down to. So that's where you're looking for 12,322. Continue all the way to the downside, and it doesn't stop there, but I do expect that you could actually come down here and try to make another pattern, and then you pop down, and then you continue finally to the lowest part of the 8,500 or maybe 7,000, and then try to bottom out from there completely. Now signals are open, by the way, so do join the signals for those who are interested, and those who are asking for a long time, how do I join the signals? It's open for 9 days. It's super cheap. Anyone can afford for $10, just $10 for 30 days. So you even get 10 days extra. So basically 40 days of signals for $10 at all. So this is an agreement video that you're gonna get on Discord. So always join the Discord. Come back up to the Discord here, go to the announcements tabs, and you can already see that this is where the video really is, and you can click on that video. You're gonna get the whole information on how to join and the terms and the agreement for joining the signal. Super simple and straightforward. Do check it out. Want to check out the course? Check out the course. Want to check me out on Twitter? Check me out on Twitter. Thank you for this support once again, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.